Welcome, everyone. If you're new to AI, here is the golden rule. Your first prompt is never your final prompt. Think of it as a conversation. You draft, you test, you spot the flaws, and you refine. Let's make that process effortless. To get incredible results every single time, you want to use a proven structure. Think of it as a recipe. Give the AI a specific role, set the context, define the task, constrain the output, provide examples, and always ask it to think step by step. Now, which AI is best at helping you write these prompts? Hands down, Claude 3.5 Sonnet wins for deep instruction following. GPT 4.0 is a fantastic conversational coach, while Gemini is incredibly creative but slightly less structured. So, building directly on those LLM strengths, how do you actually choose which one to use? Think of them as your personal advisory board. Let's break down exactly what each of these giants brings to your prompting workbench. Now, here is where the real magic happens. Instead of writing the prompt yourself, you use a meta prompt. You literally ask the AI to become a master prompt engineer and interview you to build the perfect prompt. To make this practical for you tomorrow, here is the exact 3-step loop to run. You seed the AI with a meta prompt, you answer its follow-up questions, and then you run a test drive to polish the output. Now, seeing is believing, right? Let's look at how a basic lazy prompt actually evolves into a masterpiece using this very loop. We start with something generic and watch it transform step by step into a highly targeted instruction set. So, which LLM should you trust to help you write these? Well, they actually have very distinct personalities. Claude is like an academic editor, GPT-4 is your versatile brainstorming partner, and Gemini brings the raw data and web-connected context. If you remember nothing else from today, remember this golden rule. Your output is only ever as good as the context you provide. Treat the AI not as a mind reader, but as a brilliant intern who needs clear directions. Now, taking all of that and putting it into practice can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But don't worry, I have put together 3 simple plug-and-play templates that you can use today to get instant high-quality results. But here's a quick warning as you start writing these. You don't need 1,000 words. Overcomplicating your prompt with too many constraints actually paralyzes the LLM. Keep it clean, direct, and let the model do the heavy lifting. So, to bring it all together, prompting is not a secret science. It is a creative conversational journey. By choosing the right LLM for feedback and keeping your context razor sharp, you are going to unlock incredible results. So, taking that further, which tool actually helps you write the best prompts? While ChatGPT is great for brainstorming, Claude is the absolute gold standard for refining and building complex prompts, while Gemini shines at real-time web integration. Now here's where it gets interesting. Did you know Claude actually has a built-in prompt generator? You literally tell it what you want to achieve and it writes a highly optimized, structured system prompt for *U. It's like magic. The final secret is simple. Treat the AI as your editor, not just your writer. Run your prompt, look at the output, and ask the model, how can I rewrite my original prompt to make this output better? Let the AI train you. So building on this iterative process, we need to talk about the road bumps. Even with Claude's help, beginners often fall into the trap of being too vague, or worse, cramming 10 different tasks into one giant messy prompt. Now, if you want to instantly 10x your prompt quality, you need to use few-shot prompting. It sounds fancy, but it just means giving the AI a few examples of exactly what a good output looks like before it starts writing. Once you've dialed in these perfect prompts, please don't let them get lost in your chat history. Set up a simple prompt library. Copy-paste your winning formulas into a document so you can reuse them whenever you need. So once you have your library started, you might wonder, which AI should you actually use to build and refine these prompts? Each of the big 3, Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini, has a distinct superpower when it comes to helping you write better. Now, if you want a true secret weapon, you have to try Claude's built-in prompt generator. You literally tell Claude what you want to achieve in plain, messy English, and its system will output a perfectly structured, production-ready system prompt. On the flip side, ChatGPT is incredible for stress testing. Before you run a prompt for real, paste it into ChatGPT and say, act as a critical editor. Point out where this prompt is vague or where an AI might misinterpret it. You'll be amazed at what it spots.